So in the previous video we have seen about the file menu from the user interface. Now in this video we will see what is ribbon and how it is useful for us. So ribbon is nothing but from home, insert, page layout, formulas, all these things are considered into the ribbon environment. So in the ribbon there are mainly three things. One is the tab, then after is the panel, and then after is tool or command. So what is the tab? So as you can see there are so many tabs: home, insert, page layout, formula. So these are all called as a tabs of the ribbon. Within each individual tabs there are individual panels are there. So clipboard panel is there, font panel is there, alignment panel is there, number, style, cells, and so on. If you will be go to the insert tab, here there are different panels are there. If you will be go to the page layout tab, here there are different panels are there. And within each and every panel there are commands, or we can say tools are there. Let's say for example in the home tab, in the clipboard panel there is a command or tool related to the cut, copy, paste, format painter, and so on. So this is about your ribbon tab within the Excel. Now in the panel there are some arrows are there. So as you can see into the clipboard panel there is an arrow. So this arrow basically indicates more options related to the clipboard. If I will be click on font, so as you can see more options related to the font available at here. If I will be click on alignment, so more options available related to the alignment. Similarly page layout, data, and in the outline as you can see more options are available, or we can say more settings are available related to this panel. So next we will see what is this sheet composition.